Congrats! Pinapakinggan mo yung tips and tricks ko about renter's insurance. I'm so happy. Listen, meron pa ding mga bagay na kailangan mong malaman tulad ng pag-review constantly ng coverage mo. Ang pag-review ng renter's insurance coverage ay importante para i-make sure na nami-meet nito yung current needs mo and nagpo-provide ng level of protection na required para sa personal property, liability, and living circumstances mo. Naalaw ka nito na gumawa ng adjustments and mag-maintain ng insurance policy na nag-a-align with your life-changing situation para lagi kang financially secure. Life's a roller coaster and as post-COVID-19 people, alam natin kung gaano kabilis lang magbago yung buhay. Kaya it's good to make sure na i-review mo lagi yung coverage mo. Tapos i-update mo kung merong nabago sa living situation mo or baka meron kang bagong major purchase. This is something na madaming tao ang nakakalimot o hindi pinapansin. Don't be like that. Kung gusto mong i-review namin ang coverage mo with you, send us a message and we would be glad to help.